Hi friends, Ryan here with Ryan's Candles and Crafts. Welcome to a Diamond Art Club haul video. As you can see in the title of the video, we are going to be looking at a god, we're going to be looking at a wizard, and we've got some witches that we're going to be looking at today. Believe it or not, this is actually take 3 of doing this Diamond Art Club haul. And I gotta say, the first one I just didn't like. The second one I had a lot of sound issues. So now we have this one, and I figured out my sound issues was because of my microphone, so hopefully I'll be able to get a new one soon. If you want to help support the channel, there's a PayPal link in the description down below. Go ahead and give a tip, or you can become a patron if you want. We'll talk about that here in a little bit, but let's look at what I purchased. I went a little overboard, I'm gonna admit. I was online, and then the Halloween BOGO thing came up, and I was like, ooh, okay, well, let me take a look at that. Yes, I'm a little behind on getting this video out, but I've had a lot going on with life and work and all that kind of stuff. Anyway, the BOGO hit, so I was like, okay, I need to look at that. And then there's the Slip 50 that you can use once that you get in one of your orders. So I was like, okay, we need to utilize some of this stuff. And then from another order, I had another discount. This is how Diamond Art Club gets you. I'm telling you, it's how they get you, because they have all these sales and these promotions, and you get 25% off, 20% off. Like, gimme, gimme, gimme. But then now I have all of these diamond art paintings, but that's okay. That's all right. It's giving me a lot to do mentally to be able to figure out, like, how are we going to do it? What are we going to do with it? So I'm really excited for all of these. So let's go ahead and get started on looking at this first one. All right, so the first one that we have here is actually, it's called Mani, the God of the Moon. And what I didn't know about this was that this is an actual character in mythology, folklore type of stuff. It has to do with, I believe it was like the Norse folklore. I don't remember exactly what it is, but it's real, right? It is something that, it's not just made up. It is something that is in mythology, and when it comes to gods and goddesses and all that kind of stuff. So I had to get this one because he's absolutely gorgeous. 2, I like the history behind it. And I think that that's what we're going to do with this painting, is we're going to kind of dive into the mythology of this, right? Dive into the history of what is behind this character and everything, and why this was done. So looking at that's kind of where my mind is going with this. Okay, looking at this, so this one is 22 by 31 inches. It is by Chrissa Bug, and it has 55 colors in it. There's 1 Aurora Borealis, or 1 AB, 1 Frosted Diamond, and then 3 Fairy Dust Diamonds. I've never had a Frosted Diamond before, so this will be pretty interesting to have. So I'm looking forward to doing this one. I really am. If you've done this one, let me know in the comments down below. If you're interested in hearing about the folklore and the mythology around this and everything, go ahead and click on that subscribe button and click on the notification bell to get notified on when we upload the videos for this. All right, next up, we have the Handsome Wizard. So when this one came out, I added it to my favorites immediately. I actually saw one of the YouTubers do an unboxing of this one. They had a sneak peek on this, and I said, I have to have it. I absolutely have to have it. He is gorgeous. He's beautiful. He's got a bunch of fairies around him. I don't know what I'm going to do with this one yet. I haven't thought that far ahead, because there's a whole lot of other things going on in this head up here. I'm telling you, it's just a lot. Okay. But regardless, the Handsome Wizard is one that I absolutely had to get. I don't think he had anything to do with one of my discounts. Maybe he did. I don't know. I ordered these like a month ago. Not a month ago, like a few weeks ago, a couple weeks ago, 2-3 weeks ago. Regardless, I think he's great. I think he's going to be a lot of fun. He is by, again, I apologize for the name, Dismantling. I'm going to do my best. But he is by Runa Moretti. Moretti. I'm sorry, by Runa. It is 27.6 inches by 38.2 inches and 88 colors total. Yikes. That's going to be fun. So this will probably be for later once I build up some skill sets. 1 AB and then 4 fairy dust diamonds. What I forgot to mention on the last one was the total diamond count. And that on the last one was 70,784. Total diamond count on this one is 109,309. So I don't know. When you look at this one, tell me, what do you see? Right? What do you see with the handsome wizard? He obviously looks really tired. So why? Why is he tired? What's going on? What's happening? So I want to dive into that a little bit and figure out what he's all about. All right, next up we have Phoenix Fire. This one is probably going to end up being a standalone story. The reason being is that when I look at this one, it doesn't really tie in with a whole lot of other things. The artist for this is Rosie Scribbles, and I don't know. To me, it's just a very unique painting. She has a ring of fire going around her, obviously Phoenix Fire, and then there's actually a couple gentlemen in back behind her. You'll be able to see it once I pop the picture over here somewhere, but you'll be able to see that. And I think with this, I don't know, there's a lot of different possibilities that we can do with this painting when it comes to a story and everything. So I'm gonna have to figure it out as I go along. This one's probably going to be put on the back burner for a little while because we have a lot of other projects already in the works. Some of those projects are actually we're getting ready to talk about here in a little bit on these last 3. But let's finish up with this one first. So this is 27.6 inches by 34.3 inches. And then it has 75 colors, 4 ABs, and 2 fairy dust diamonds, with a total of 98,069 diamonds. So it's a lot. And all 3 of these that we've looked at so far are all squares. And then the other 3 we're going to look at are all squares too. A lot of squares going on right now, but that's okay. We'll be good. Okay. This one I'm excited about. And I'm excited about it because of a couple reasons. One, I just think she's beautiful, right? These next 3 are all going to be by Sims.art. They all kind of have the same theme to where you've got a witch, you've got, not there, you've got these cats that are on here, little ghostly cats. And with her, with this being called protection runes, right, you can see she's got, where's my fingers? She's got a bandage here. She's got some band-aids here, right? She's putting protection runes up. Why? What happened to her? Who's after her? Just want you to ponder that, right, as we're looking at this one, and as we look at the next 2, we're going to have these all tie in together. I haven't figured out exactly how I want to do that yet. I have a couple of ideas of what I would like to do. It's just a matter of how do I execute those ideas. If you want to be part of the idea process, the story building, character building process and everything, click on the description down below. There's a link to our Patreon channel and get involved, right? If you want access to exclusive polls, if you want access to be able to help develop these characters in the story and have input. And also there's a perk in there if you want to be a voice in the story as well too. So if you want to do so, go ahead and take a look at that and we'll see what we can come up with. Now, let's go ahead and get back to this. So this one is 27.6 inches by 34.7 inches. The colors on this are 65 colors. 1 AB, and 2 fairy dust diamonds, with a total of 99,193 diamonds. So pretty decent size, right? So I'm going to be curious to see what happens with this one and the story that we come up with. All right, so here we are with the next one. So this one is called Checking Socials. As you can see, again, we have the cat here. Very similar artist, right? With Sims.art. She also has a band-aid on her cheek. Why? What happened? What's going on? And we can see she's in a library. Obviously, she's supposed to be doing some kind of research. She's supposed to be doing something. But, of course, as some of us do, instead of doing what we should be doing, we sit on our phone and check social media. But isn't she supposed to be helping her friend? But what does that help entail? What is she looking for? What is she supposed to be doing? All great questions. Now, what I'm hopeful for is maybe either by the time this video comes out or if you're watching this video, we have gotten ourselves up to 500 subscribers. Right now, we're hovering at almost 200 already, which is fantastic. Thank you guys so much for your support and coming back to view the videos. And once we get up there and everything, we will start doing some live feeds. We'll start doing, what was the other thing? I think we can do, I don't know if we can do channel memberships at 500 or not, but we're definitely going to see what we can do to be able to get some interaction with everyone too. Okay. Again, really appreciate all the support. Appreciate everything you guys have done so far for the channel. I am so thankful. And I really appreciate this community. I love this community. You guys are so inviting. I'm going to hush now. We're going to get back to this. Okay. So with this one, it is 25.6 inches by 31.9 inches. We have 64 colors, so it's very similar to the others. 2 ABs and 2 fairy dust diamonds. Total of 84,825. So this one is actually a bit smaller. Not gonna complain about that. And the next one, okay, it's gonna be a decent size on that next one. Okay, all right. So let's turn this back around. So let me know what you think in the comments down below. I have a feeling that like the ABs are probably gonna go around the cat, or the frosted diamonds will go around the cat, more than likely. Like from my experience so far and what I've dealt with in Diamond Art Club. All right, last but not least, studying at the library. Again, by the same artist. Got another witch. She's in the library too. We have the same cats in here. So what are we doing? What are we researching? What are we looking for? What is she helping her friend do? It's going to be interesting to see how this story pans out. I'm real curious to kind of see like where my mind goes with this. Because I wasn't sure what I wanted to do. And then I was like, okay, let's do this, let's do that. And then it changed to, oh, what if we did something else instead? I'm not going to give away too much. I'm not. And the reason being is because I need you wanting more, right? I need you to be guessing what you think is going to happen. I like this. This is interactive. It's fun. It's entertaining. It's, I don't know, maybe I'm being annoying to you. Let me know in the comments down below. Anyway, let's look at this one. So studying at the library, 27.6 inches by 34.7. Now, I do want to say that this one and the previous one are Simone Fierro. Okay, that's what it's Sims.art, but Simone Fierro. And then it's 60 colors on this one, 2 ABs, and actually 6 fairy dust diamonds. That's a lot of fairy dust diamonds. I'm going to be curious to do an unboxing of this one. I think I may do the 3 of these in an unboxing together just to kind of get a gauge of what these are going to be like. Okay, that is all we have for today's Diamond Haul. Diamond Art Club haul. It's been a long day. It has been a very long day. Didn't get a lot of sleep last night, but it's fine. We're here. We're doing things, right? So yeah, I'm really hoping that you guys have gotten a lot of benefit out of this. I'm curious to know which of these Diamond Art Club paintings have you done. Let me know in the description down below, or in the comments down below. Goodness. And yeah, let's see what's going to happen with this. I'm really appreciative of you guys coming out to the channel, showing your support, giving whatever you can. I really, really, truly appreciate it. Oh, last thing. Don't forget, we offer candles. Right? We also offer candles here with our channel. So in the description down below, again, there's another link. I have so many links, but there's another link that goes to the RPT Candle Company website. And from there, you will be able to order some candles that I make here at home. They are, right now, they are 100% soy based, and they are absolutely fantastic candles. I love them, love them, love them. It actually takes everything that I can not to burn them myself. But until next time, everyone, light a candle, grab a coffee, and let's keep crafting.